Okay, hi guys. So it is Miss Rao here. For my last assignment for Intro to Teaching, I had to do a lesson, and Miss Austin thought it'd be cool for me to step in and do your intro lesson for decimals, and that is place values with decimals, so whatever comes after. And so I'm going to start you guys off with this image I found, and we're going to focus obviously on the blue because we need to know what place values there are after the decimal. So we have tenths, we have hundredths, then we have thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. So you see that they all end in THS, so that's a good hint to know that all of them have that after the decimal. So keep in mind that those are the place values that come in after the decimal, which is that black dot right there. And then I came up with this little chart for you guys to kind of break it up and kind of show you what we're looking at here. So our number that we're going to work with here, if we look at standard form, is 11 and 26 hundredths. So if we were going to read it together, we would do the whole number first. So we would say 11, and then we stop always at the decimal, and we say and then we would chunk the next two numbers together, so that would be 26. And since the 6th is under the hundredths, and that is the last number, we would say 26 hundredths. So that is how you read a decimal, is you would chunk the whole number in front of the decimal and the number after the decimal, and then whatever the last number is, whatever place value that's under, that's what you would say at the end. So for this one, it is 11 and 26 hundredths because the 6 is under that. And for word form, we have it written out is exactly how I said it. We have the number 11 and 26 hundredths. So your word form and how you say it should be the same.
And then for our expanded form, which is our value, we always know we have to separate those by our plus signs. And we have our first value to be 10. And then we have a value of 1. And then we have a value of 2 tenths. And then another value of 6 hundredths. So if you put that expanded form underneath the chart I have, each of the color coding is where it would go under. So the 10s would be the 10, the 1s would be the 1, the 2 tenths would be the 0.2, and then the hundredths would be 0.06.